Ahoy hoy! Bringing you guys today a very big and very greasy box. Like look at all those grease stains on this box. Like it's crazy. Like the tape is like not sticking properly because of all the grease. It's honestly the most disgusting box I've ever received. I don't think that's the fault of the person that shipped it. I'm pretty sure that's the fault of the United States Post Office. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. I haven't seen the movie where he's from, but I want to. He's my favorite kaiju, even though I haven't really seen much about him, seen much of him. But I just adore how he looks. Toho Ultimates Wave 3 Destoroyah. This Destoroyah is my boy. I love him. He looks amazing. By the way, I got this from the Big Bad Toy Store. The box doesn't have the Big Bad Toy Store logo, which is pretty peculiar and interesting. So I thought all their boxes had the logo, but apparently the really big ones do not. Oh, this thing is heavy. It's a box within a box, and I'm sure inside the box we'll see another box, and I am knocking everything. And give me a minute while I move this giant box out of the way. All right. So here is the smaller box. Let's go ahead and lower this a little bit. Open this. Open this. Because then I'm gonna have to remove the box that's inside this box. I keep knocking the camera around. Let's just throw that to the floor. From Super7. People were telling me that Super7 doesn't have the best quality. But I said, you know what? This guy just looks so fucking good. I kind of want to risk it. And when have you ever known that I risk it for the biscuit and I end up getting a crappy figure? That has never happened before, right? Nah. I'm responsible with my money. Is it me or does it feel like you're undressing someone as you're doing this? Am I the only one getting hot and bothered? Probably. So let's go ahead and woof. Yeah, like this baby, let me take that shirt off of you. There we go. Can't wait to see the actual movie. I know the movie's been out for 30 years now. Close to 30 years. Just find it and look at it. But none of the streaming services that I have actually have the movie. I think I saw it on YouTube that they had it for free. So we'll see. I am not about piracy. The box is pretty cool. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna check. Give me a second while I check if the box has anything of importance on the inside, and it does not. So everything goes to the floor. That is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece. Alright, so let's do this carefully. Carefully. This side carefully, and the bottom carefully. We have here the wings of redemption. No, the wings. The wings and the crustacean-like tail. Because to me, it always looks like a lobster tail. Destoroyah's tail, I mean. I imagine that's what they're going for. I need to get some better shears for these plasticky bits. But let's go ahead and cut these open. See if I can reach in there, and I did. Let's remove the tail from the. This is very heavy. Let's get these wings out. Let's get that wing out. These smaller wings, just pop them out. There we go. Put them to the side. Throw that to the floor, and let's start undoing this. You know me, the main figure is the last thing I'm gonna set free, but might as well get this done with now. Alright, oh, has another one up here. It's just tying up its neck. There we go. Oh, has it on the arms as well. They're really making you work for it, aren't they? And then this arm. There we go. None on the legs. So let's start by popping out these claws, these big meaty claws that are not just for attracting mates. And if you get that reference, the hell are you doing here? Or maybe we should be best friends, honestly. If you get that reference. Let's get... And honestly, I'm just gonna display him with this head because, one, it should have just had an articulated jaw. But between the closed head, the closed mouth, and the open mouth, yeah, for this guy, definitely the open mouth. And then he comes with a 3-piece lobster combo. So let me go ahead and get these out of here. Jesus Christ. The Destoroyah babies, they look cute. So small. Alright, put this to the side, let me get this out, get this out, get this out, get that's out. Okay, let me move a lot of the things to the side so I can actually like handle Destoroyah properly. And still missing one part. There we go. Okay, now, can I actually get this guy out of here now? Come on. Come on. And don't you find it interesting when you handle something, right? Like you handle a box and the box doesn't feel that heavy, but then you handle the figure inside and the figure inside feels really fucking heavy? Yeah, that's what this feels like. This thing feels heavy as shit. Alright, so I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna throw it to the floor. Alright. So here he is. Here he is. And, yeah. Which do you think look better? Honestly, I think the open ones look way better than the closed ones. The closed ones make them look stubbier, I feel. So, Let's go right ahead and just put that in there. There we go. Let's go ahead and take this one out and put this one in. And because go ahead, give me that. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. You tell me which one looks better. The teeth on this look really... Oh, God, look at that. That's a lot of paint bleed. But then on this side, not as much. But on this side, he looks like a rabid dog. That's just sloppy. So let's go ahead and... Come on, just... I believe it's in. Yeah. Yeah. That's cool. I'm usually not a fan of blast effects, but honestly, I think this guy should have come with one. Oh, my goodness. I don't want to have to heat you up. So, let me just see. Give me... It's not in there completely, trust me. Yeah, it's just... It gets out really fucking easily. Ah, there we go. There's his tail. And, look at my hands. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is gonna hurt in the morning. Ow. That hurts now, actually. Decent articulation for what it is, honestly. Let's see. Actually, like, curve your tail? Not really. But that's fine. Kind of wish his tail was more prehensile than this. So now, let's give him the smaller wings. Oh. Smaller wings. I would imagine, yeah, it goes like this because the other way wouldn't really make sense. Now, come on, just get in there, you. The other one went in so easily. The second one doesn't want to cooperate. And then the big wings. Let's see if we can actually make it. Oh my goodness. Ow. Jesus Christ, that actually hurt. Hold the arm. Nope. Jesus. I can do it. Ow. It's not in there completely. You can see there's still like a ridge I still have to go through. Just get in there, goddamn you. Okay, I'm not gonna fight it too much because my hands hurt. Seriously. Look at that. I'm getting all mangled up. Destroyer of hands. Let's see if I can. There we go. Apply some elbow grease to that thing. At least this one looks better inserted than this one. Can I replicate what I did with that one on this one? Sword. Oh, there you go. And I got it. Woo! Jesus, what a workout. Alright. This thing takes a lot of real estate, but mostly because of the tail. The tail is really fucking long. Other than that, give me a minute, I need to catch my breath because like this was a fucking workout. Whew. And my hands hurt like a motherfucker. I hope the head, it's in there properly. Yeah, I think it is. Oh. He is a looker. There you go. He has a hat now. He is a looker. He looks amazing. He looks pretty fucking gnarly. Oh, this one wants to. Yeah, that one wanted to come off. Jesus Christ, dude. Just get in there. God damn you. I'm gonna move it to this side because there's not much real estate to the back. Because of how fucking long his tail is. But yeah. Yeah, I think this is fucking amazing. Really fucking tall too. I mean like really fucking heavy, not tall. Heavy. And I see like this ball joint wants to move. And it has a soft ratchet. And it feels really fucking good. Right? It's actually like kick you. Destoroyah kick. Is that a thing that happens in the movie? I don't know. But then the other leg doesn't really have a ratchet. Like I'm scared of pulling it. So I don't know what's happening on this because this leg feels very loose. This one feels just right. But this one, no, this one does not feel. This one feels like it's not properly inserted in the socket. Yeah, look at that. That one feels like it's wider open. I don't know. I don't want to push it too much because I don't want to break anything. But yeah, that ratchet does not feel like it's been handled properly. And it scares me, to be quite honest. We're looking at Destoroyah's taint. But all in all, is it worth the price? If you're a fan, definitely. If you're not a fan, wait for it to go down in price. Maybe if it gets like a, I don't know, man, a discount. I'm happy with it because I I like really gnarly looking monsters, and when it comes to gnarly looking monsters, Destoroyah is like one of the gnarliest you can like find. Here is a his tail just gets in the way. Let me just move the camera backwards. It's better that way. Here's a size comparison so you get an idea of how big it is next to an MP Optimus Prime. The guy is big. The guy is big, and the articulation is decent. I think the articulation is very decent. I like that you have the double ball joint at the head. Then at the neck you have another joint. Then like the waist can move. Doesn't have an ab crunch, but that's fine. These barely ever do. Yeah, again, like you can get like Destoroyah kick, and this one also moves. And again, like in my copy, this one's way looser than the other one, but he still stands well. Yeah, he looks dangerous. Like he looks very dangerous, and I'm very happy with him. Very happy with him, and I'm very happy with the hats they included. Look at that. Look at that, a happy hat. Just gonna scatter these around my bedroom, honestly. Well, not my bedroom, my office room with my collection room would be the better term. Just gonna spread them around, just put them in different places. This head, it's just gonna go into storage, maybe like hang it on the wall here, like a trophy collection. You know what? That would be actually pretty damn cool. Just have a bunch of heads here. Like I killed them, or somebody killed them. He killed them. It's a vicious animal. Here, you can have it. It's probably gonna eat it while I'm not looking. Anyways, thank you for joining me in this unboxing. This guy was pretty cool. Oh, look at that. Do you have knee? No, he doesn't have a knee articulation. Do you have a? No, it'd be weird if you had an ankle tilt. Well, thank you again for joining me. This was very fun. I'll see you guys next time. And until the next video, adios.